Welcome to Anna ARM YouTube channel. Today's topic is on Microsoft Excel offset and counter functions for creating a dynamic drop-down menu. A dynamic drop-down menu will update automatically as soon as you add or remove items from the source list. Now, our source list is based on months of the year and they have already been entered on this worksheet. Now, the structure of our formula is as shown on the screen. It's as shown on the screen. We have the offset referencing column B beginning from 2 because in any menu it is not proper to display the heading of that list. Then the rows is 1, the rows argument is 0 rather, while the columns argument is 0. The height argument is defined using the big column -1. The reason why there is -1 is to exclude this heading for month, and that is the structure of the offset. But you need to define it with the Excel formula name. So you go to formula, click on define a name, enter month, make the scope a workbook, then enter the offset function for dynamic menu. Then you click OK. So when you have done that, you go to a second sheet. Go to a second sheet. The green cell is our focus. It's where we want to display the dynamic drop-down menu. So you select it. You go to data, then select data validation. On the data validation pop-up menu, you select list, then the name which you use in defining your offset formula, you enter it, and that name is months, and click OK. So now let's check what the result is. As you can see, we have January to December dynamically extracted from our first worksheet, which is months of the year for this column. So the reason why this approach is efficient or effective is that you can always update this column with more items and they will be automatically reflected on your dynamic drop down list. So we are just typing in more items now. We have typed in Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And let's go back and check the dynamic drop down lists and check. As you can see, they have been updated. It has been updated and included Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So that is it for dynamic drop down list based on offset and the count A function. Please contact us For any questions or comments on 0907 599 5114. WhatsApp us on 0909 650 5940. And for any request for training, we are always available. Thank you for your time. Welcome.